Good day, I'm Don Santiago from Maybank, Philippines. I've been playing with ITBL siguro more than 10 years na, minus the pandemic. Why ITBL and basketball? Sa ITBL kasi you will meet a lot of people, you will make a lot of friends, and then basketball na meron ka ng bagong kaibigan, nakakapag-enjoy ka pa sa paglalaro mo ng basketball. At the same time, yung mga kasama mo dito, sabay-sabay kayong nag-grow, sabay-sabay kayong nagde-develop as individual and as a player of basketball, as a student of the game. Lahat kayo natututo ng sabay-sabay, kung maganda yung laro nyo, hindi nyo lang napapansin, maganda na yung mga skills na na-develop nyo throughout time. Thank you.